welcome to the 2026 NYSUT RA. Welcome to day one of the NYSUT RA.
The NYSUT staff have been planning this for a whole year. Ever since the last one ended, we have started to put all the plans together to make sure that our members, our leaders, have an amazing time.
Welcome to the 2026 NYSUT RA here in Albany.
Fillmore's in the house. Portland's in the house. Long Island's in the house.
Welcome to the 2026 NYSUT RA.
Long Island's in the house.
World Teachers Association. Yeah, baby.
This is probably my 6th RA.
I've never been. This is my first time here.
This is my 19th RA.
This would be my 14th RA.
Yeah, I think it's my 23rd RA.
Welcome to the 2026 NYSUT RA.
Day one at the NYSUT RA.